that first time, loosen up the dirt on your body. Then you wash 2 more times, so your hair is going to get a total of 3 washes. Now, after that, you want to apply the mask before the conditioner. So the mask is to lock in the moisture that the shampoo just added to your hair and that the Clarify just stripped from your hair. So the Clarify is going to strip a little bit. The shampoo is going to add that moisture and nutrients back. The mask is going to lock all of that in. And then once the mask is applied, left on for a certain however amount of time, I would say 20, 25 minutes at the most. You could do a steam treatment while the mask is on your hair. And then after you wash the mask out, then you go in with your moisturizing conditioner. Now the conditioner is what's going to make your hair silky, curly, whatever your texture is going to enhance it. And keep that moisture locked in as well. So you want to lather your hair with the conditioner, not your scalp. That's the biggest misconception. Everybody want to use this conditioner and then they massage it into the scalp. Conditioner does not go on your scalp. Yeah. Public service announcement. Conditioner does not go on your scalp.
Wow.
You're doing more damage and more harm than good. Because once you massage that conditioner in your scalp, what you're doing is blocking the hair follicle from growing out. You're blocking it. So everything we just did on them previous steps, you just defeated the purpose. But a lot of people don't know that, and that's okay. But I'm just here to educate you guys on the steps that you need to take and the routine that you need to take for your hair if you want to see real results. Also, getting a trim, whether you have locks, whether you have your natural hair, whether it's cut short or bob, you got some length to you, whatever, thick, thin, everybody needs a trim every 4 to 6 weeks. Your hair grows about 2.5 inches every month and sheds that same amount as well, if not more. But if you do not get a trim, then your hair, what happens is those uneven pieces will start to break all the way up the hair shaft and prevent and stunt the growth of the hair. So people be like, oh, I don't put no heat to my hair. I don't do nothing to my hair. I just leave it alone. That's fine, but you have to cut it for it to grow. You have to cut those dead pieces off because that is what's stunting the growth of your hair. Also, the trim is always good. Some people haven't gotten a trim in years. They just need the big chop. They just need the big cut. I am guilty of it. I know I need the mushroom cut. I know this, but yeah, well, that's a different topic for a different day. I'll get the cut when I'm ready.